Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your bitmoji on the Snapchat application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button at the upper right corner of the page. Here go to the bitmoji option and click to the edit my bitmoji option, the second option. And new, you can select another hairstyle and hair color, different skin tones and more. And you can add different eyes or glasses to your avatar. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.